NEET UG gi Wathok Loidri question paper leak Oikhibadu Lupa Lakh 2.25 Da Yonkhi Banan LANKHI RAHUL GANDHI Chaliba chahi asigi oina pangthokiba NEET UG examination da question leak oikhibadagi examination adu kakthalaga amuk hana pangthokrabasu Lok Sabha da opposition luchingba oriba Rahul Gandhi na leak oikhiba question paper adu leibak asigi mafum ayambada Lupa Lakh 2.25 Yonkhi haina phongdorokpaga loinana UGC na pangthokpa National Eligibility Entrance Test adugi Sociology paper da grammar amasung bana lanba sing yaukhi haina phongdorakri Wafam Singasi Rahul Gandhi na mahaki social media platform X ta phongdorokpaga loinana question leak thodokadagi mayokta akan bathaba lokhanaba amasung Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan resign taunaba demand tawaki hairi question leak oibagi thodok khakta natana sociology paper dasu aramba kaya yaure haiki examination asi pangthoktringegi mangoinana National Testing Agency khaktana mapu oigedaba punna lamai chama panba PDF format ama social media da chaithoroktuna question paper sembagi matangda sandoraki hainasu charge chauri examination asida seasonaki sociology ki question paper da yauba wahang singi manungda question maudra romdi PDF format da chaithoraki bada yauba wahang singa manai question singadu Bihar Uttar Pradesh Haryana amasung Rajasthan da Lupa Lakh 2.25 rongi mamalda Yonkhi hainasu Congress luchingba asina phongdoraki Dainik Bhaskar Koba Pauchi amana ahanbagi NEET UG examination da question leak oikhi haiduna cancel tawkhraba matungda mamang thagi kuntra da amu hana pangtokkiba examination asigisu question leak oikhi haina report tawrakle haiki Pauchi asigi report matungina Rotakta Mahero Luchungba Anina Apakpa screen da sociology ki question sing uthokpa video mayam da yenghanki hairi maramasina examination asibu sinkiba NTA gi maikai dagi paukhum pirakpa ngairi haiki